Recently I faced a weird issue in our car. So when I push the wiper button, what happens is the water used to spray from the nozzle into the windshield and then the wiper spins. But in my case, there is no water getting sprayed from the nozzle, but only the wiper spins. But I could hear the motor noise. So I thought the water in the wiper tank would have been gone down. So I tried to fill the same, but still the issue persists. So the next thing what I have to do is I have to check whether there is any leak or cut in the pipe that goes from wiper tank to the nozzle. So while checking the same, I could see some pipe being cut here. Just to ensure whether it's Viper's wire, I tried to push the Viper's nozzle, Viper's motor, and you could see the water coming out, which means this is the one. And this happened because of a rat bite. So, in order to fix this, either we have to replace the whole tube or we should find a proper way to join these two pipes. Also, while joining, we should be ensured that there is no leak after joining. So, to do that, what I did is a different trick. I bought a tube of the same size for 1 meter because the tube we get only meters measurement. If you can see, it's of same measurement. If I use Feviquick, it will get sticked properly. But rather, I got a proper coupler too for the same tube. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to cut the edge of this tube such that it should be in round shape, and then I'm going to insert this coupler. Now what I'll do is, I will insert the same inside the one that's present in our bonnet. Okay. So with this, one end has been fixed. So the next thing is we have to fix for the next end. For that, what I'll do is I'll remove that tube so that it will be easy for us because we have to cut the edge to the round shape. We are done. Next, the same process. I'm going to place the coupler here. And once this coupler has been placed, next thing what we have to do is we have to cut the pipe to the required size. There's no necessity to keep more pipe here. Just cut for what is required. So only this much is required for me. I will cut it here. And as usual, I'm going to join it with that coupler. So this is completely simple process and this will be common for all cars. And the total cost it costed to me is around rupees 45. So once it is done, let's place the tube in its position. And now let's check this. Yes, the water sprays from the nozzle. At the same time, I have to check for any leaks here. As I could see, there is no leak. Uh, Let me show you once again. Yes, it works as expected. So with this, we'll close this video. Thank you all for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.